Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the disadvantages of Podio. I've been using Podio for a few years now, and I've found it to be a great tool for project management and task tracking. However, it's not perfect, and there are a few disadvantages that I've noticed. Before we get into the disadvantages, let's take a quick look at what Podio is and how it can be used. Podio is a cloud-based project management and task tracking software. It can be used to manage projects of all sizes, from small teams to large enterprises. Podio offers a variety of features, including task management, project management, team collaboration, file sharing, reporting, automation. Podio is a very powerful tool, and it can be used to automate a lot of your work. However, this power can also be a disadvantage, as it can be difficult to learn how to use all of the features. Disadvantages of Podio. 1. It can be difficult to learn how to use all of the features. As I mentioned earlier, Podio is a very powerful tool. This means that there are a lot of features that you can use to automate your work. However, this can also be a disadvantage, as it can be difficult to learn how to use all of the features. Podio offers a variety of training resources, including online tutorials, webinars, and in-person training. However, even with these resources, it can still take some time to learn how to use all of the features of Podio effectively. 2. It can be expensive. Podio is a paid software, and it can be expensive depending on the number of users and features you need. The basic plan starts at $19 per user per month, and the most expensive plan starts at $49 per user per month. If you're on a tight budget, Podio may not be the right tool for you. There are other project management and task tracking software options available that are more affordable. 3. It can be difficult to customize. Podio is a very customizable tool, but it can be difficult to customize it to your specific needs. This is because Podio offers a lot of features, and it can be difficult to figure out which features you need and how to customize them. If you're looking for a tool that is easy to customize, Podio may not be the right choice for you. 4. It can be slow. Podio can be slow, especially if you have a large number of users or projects. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to get work done quickly. 5. It doesn't have a native mobile app. Podio doesn't have a native mobile app. This means that you'll need to use the web browser to access Podio on your mobile device. This can be inconvenient, especially if you're on the go. Overall, Podio is a powerful tool that can be used to automate a lot of your work. However, it can be difficult to learn how to use all of the features, it can be expensive, it can be difficult to customize, it can be slow, and it doesn't have a native mobile app. If you're looking for a powerful and customizable project management and task tracking tool, Podio may be a good option for you. However, if you're on a tight budget or you need a tool that is easy to learn and use, Podio may not be the right choice for you. So, those are the disadvantages of Podio. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.